Hey girls.
Zeta, last but not least.
Hey girls, what's going on? Let's go over here. Let's see what Della does. Come on. What do you think, Della, huh? Are they on your lick?
Zeta's just staring at you like, what in the world are you guys talking about?
Hey girls.
This is going to be interesting.
Moose isn't leaving the lick. Uh-oh, Della, you gonna put up with that? Oh, ouch.
Ice isn't. Did you pause the movie?
Hi.